Oh, no, he's not. Cool.
Oh, good.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Yeah, sorry it's been a little bit here. We just got to the this RV Super Show because we're getting ready to purchase here. This is a bunch of different brands, but anyway, we're going to be looking at travel trailers, and we will bring you in them. Yeah, okay, guys. So we have pretty much decided on a travel trailer, roughly 27 foot or kind of in that range, and we want a rear living, which would be an RL. You know, this is an RK, so this is a rear kitchen with a slide, and we haven't ruled these out. There's Lisa Hot Baked Italian already looking in here. Check out her channel if you get a chance. Yeah, so I don't know, what are you seeing?
Well, a lot of actually storage in the kitchen. I'm kind of surprised with a lot of counters up there. I mean, cabinets and drawers. Nice big thing in here. Oh, this drawers pulls out. Wow.
Oh, wow. Whoa. That is huge.
That's huge. That's big. It pulls all the way out. Sorry.
It doesn't. It's got a couple of recliners here, but and we thought we wanted the theater seats, which the rear living travel trailers, as we really want the theater seating, you know, with the cup holders and that. What's that looking like? Let's see if we can get in here. Oh. Well, it's okay for me. I guess if you're much bigger than me. I am 5'8". Yeah, I think
Interesting. They actually have curtains and not those ugly corner sports.
Yeah. Well, I don't think this one is. Let's go on to another one here. Okay, so this kind of got a bigger back window, so we're thinking it might. Oh, nice.
Nice little
Outdoor kitchen. It's got the power stabilizers. There's your propane hook up there. These can come in handy too. You know, that flips down. Guess you could store your generator on there or whatever. 28RE. Not sure what the E stands for. Oh. Okay. So here's your rear. The reason we want the rear living is because they have the bigger back window. So you know, if you're backed up to some beautiful lake.
sofa, no.
Yeah.
Theater seating.
I think these are kind of a step down from what we've been looking at.
Yeah, I say the quality's not great. I mean, just a step down.
Yeah, that's I mean, you know, it's good to know it's an option.
Yeah. Sorry.
Same bathroom.
Bedroom's the same.
This is their everyday low price on this one. So yeah, let's keep looking here. Okay, yeah, they don't have any of the travel trailers floor plan that we want. So I'm just gonna pop our head into a couple of Class B's. Yeah, I think we just want. Yeah, I think for our first full-time RV adventure, I think we want something a little bigger to start off with.
Actually, a bathroom back there?
It is, yeah. shower. This must be a slide or no? No, there's no slide in this. Looks like it's a
What shower?
wet shower, yeah. Interesting. Yeah. Well,
Yeah, this is being made into a bed every night.
yeah, this needs to be made into a bed all the time. But anyway, okay, we're just gonna poke around here a little bit more, and we'll take you guys shopping again here real soon. Take care. God bless. Please check out my Amazon link in the description, and share this with a like-minded person. We'll see you guys later. Bye.